This
And its
conference will
types.
now be
Okay.
recorded.
Today our class is cable and its types. So we can take the knowledge of the cable. What is the cable? Cable is one types of conductor. One types of conductor. You can check in screen. I think clear coming now. Okay. So cable is the one conductor we can using in electrical power transfer system, control cable power transfer system, and signals power transfer system. We can using in different categories of cable in different purpose. Okay. So we have the different purpose of cable. So these are the cable diagram. You can see this is the control cable. These all are the control the cable 1 pore to 48 pore, up to 48 quantity coming in inside the cables. You can check there is so many cables wiring inside the cable. Another cable also, another also. So we have the different category cables. So especially this type
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello. Sir, no voice, sir. Voice not hearing, sir. Sir, voice not hearing, sir.
सर एक बार बात कीजिए सर, अधिकारी सर। हेलो। ఒకసారి చూడండి. రావట్లేదు. బ్లూటూత్ ఆయన ఫోన్ లో కనెక్ట్ అయిందా ఏంటి? అన్మ్యూట్ చేయడం మర్చిపోయారు.
Sorry for disturbing. Now voice is okay. Now clear. Tell me, you are hearing me or not? Okay, so I think now you can hearing me. Now my voice is okay, yes? Now clear? Okay, what is the cable? We can talking about the cable. A cable is a conductor in which one and more insulated wire running side by side are bundles of wire. So this is one cable inside here. So many wires are running and bundles of wire also coming inside the cable. Examples, you see there is bundles of wire. This is the bundles of wire. All cable inside coming bundles of wire and one and more. This is the bundles of wire. 1, 2, 3. This and 4. This one. Bundles of the wire is coming inside the cable. And 1 and 2 core also. This is 2 core. You can see this cable inside coming only 2 core. So definition of the cable is one cable is a one conductor in which there is coming one and more core cables and bundles of wire is coming inside the cables. As an example, this is the bundles of wire. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the bundles of wire. This is two core, two wire is coming. This is one single is coming there. So some cables are coming in single core. Some cables is coming two core, and some cables 3 core, 4 core, and controls cable are coming in bundles of the cables. Bundles of the cable. This is the bundles of cable. Okay, so we can using in somewhere power cables for 1 core, 2 core, 3 core, and 4 core. Control and instrumentation cable we can using in bundles of wire. This is coming inside the 1 core to 48 core. Up to 48 core is coming. Okay. So this is the bundles of wire. And this is the core. 1 core, 2 core. 1, 2, 3, 4 core inside. This is single core. 1 core, 1 core. This is also 1 core, 1 core. Single core. Okay. So cable definition, I will explain same like that. So in which one and more insulated wire is coming running side by side, or bundles of wire is cable. It is used to carry electrical current, analog signals and digital signals up to the equipment. So this is used for carry the electrical current. Power cable, electrical cable are using for transferring the electrical current. And control and instrumentation cable we can using for analog signals and digital signals. We can using in digital signals and analog signals up to the equipment. So cable is going panel, control panel board to up to the equipment. Some cable take the current, power cable, and control cable take the signals and controlling system, and instrumentation cable also take the analog signals or digital signals. Okay, so this is the cables diagram. We have the single core, 2 or 3 core, bundles of wire, all in there. This is we can using as per our requirement. These all are the controls cable. These all are the controls and signals cable. Okay, so we can using in control and signal cables for the as per drawing requirement. Which types of cable is need there? We can use same types of cables. Okay. So in this slide you can clear about this one. Cable. What is the cable? Cable is a one conductor. You can clear this is one conductor, and in cable inside one and more insulated wire is running, or bundles of wire is coming. Okay, bundles of wire is coming, and one and more insulated. All conductor are insulated, not in necklet. Okay, insulated is coming. So if the necklet conductor, there is the problem, short circuit. This is short circuit. Okay, so all are coming in conductors. This all wire is coming in insulated, insulation with insulation. Okay, so insulation is safe to short circuit, safe to one cable to another cable, safe to short with equipment to another, okay, short to this one also. It is used to carry electrical current, analog signals and digital signals up to the equipment, so this is used to carry the up to the equipment. Okay, clear about this one. What is cable? You can clear about the this one. You can clear about this one. And next one is this is the diagram of the controls cables and power cable. We have the control cable, instrumentation cable and power cable. Okay, this is the diagram of cables. You can check so many categories cable are available inside. This is bundles of the cables. This is 2-core cable. This is 4-core cable, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is single core cable. All are different category. So for single core, especially single core and up to 4 core, we can using in power supply cable. This is different types, and this bundles of wire we can using in control and analog systems. So building have the control system also, BMS, building management system. Building have the BMS system also, building management system. So that types of system we can using in this types of cable. Clear about this one, okay? So next one. Main parts of the cable. Main parts of the cable. So cable inside, how many parts is available? Main. There have the another also coming in parts, but main parts of the cable is especially 3 or 4 parts is coming inside the cables. Main parts. Conductor. Cable main parts is the conductor. Main parts is the conductor, okay? So conductor, if no conductor, this is not cable. This is the insulation. So cable inside have the conductor. Inner part of the cable. Inner parts of the cable is conductor. This is the conductor, okay? And next one, conductor covering insulation. Conductor covering insulation also coming there. Conductor covering insulation. This is the conductor covering insulation, okay? Conductor covering insulation. You can see first conductor, after conductor covering insulation. Conductor covering insulation, another one is. And next one is inner cells. All conductor is covering by one insulation. This name is inner cells. All conductor, you can see first conductor, copper type conductor, this one is. After every conductor, there have 1, 2 and 3 conductors, red, yellow and blue. This is covering by the insulation. Yellow insulation, red type PVC insulation and blue type PVC insulation. Conductor, separate conductor, separate insulation is there. Then after one full black color, full conductor covering self, inner self or insulation is coming there inside the cable. So conductor covering insulation, inner self. This name is inner self, okay? And last one, outside of the cable, over self or outside of self. This is protect our cable, any damage, any dust and any water. So we have the 3 parts. This is the outside, full cable covering this one. With this is cover, this PVC type is coming. This is safe to dust, so outside to falling objects and so water, safe this outside self, over self or outside self. So cable inside have the 4 parts insulation, and inside also coming in armor, but armor is not mentioned I am because some cable inside have armor, some cable no have the armor, so I will not mention is this one. We have the 2 types of cable. Next chapter, next slide I will explain about this armored and non-armored. So some cable is coming armored, some cable is not coming in armored. That's why, so I am not writing in armored, okay? So mainly you can clear about one cable inside have four types of, you can found in 4 types of insulation and conductor. 4 types in 4 parts you can see. There have the conductor insulation, conductor covering insulations and inner cell, and another is over cell. Next one is over cell, okay? So we have the in cables parts inside. 4 parts is coming inside the cable. Okay. So over shelf, inner shelf, conductor covering insulation, and conductor. This is the electrical power cable. Okay. So controls cable also coming same like that, not in difference. Okay. Control cable also coming in same like that. This is power cable, only red, yellow, and blue. 3-phase, 3-core power cable. 3-core power cable we can utilize for, this is for electrical power supply. So control cable, instrumentation cable also coming same parts. Okay, same parts is coming, main parts. Okay, so in this slide you can clear about cable inside part, maximum coming in 4 parts. First, inner cable, inner side conductor, and after conductor covering insulation. Next one is inner shelf. Inner shelf is covering by all conductor. Okay, and last one is over shelf or outer shelf. This is safe. This insulation is safe to cable, some falling objects, and dust and water. No going inside the water. Safe to over shelf or outer shelf. Safe to cable. Okay. So inside this conductor covering insulation, safe to short circuit of conductor. If there is not insulation, this 3 conductor is short and cable also short. So this is safe to each core conductor. Okay, this conductor covering insulation is safe to short circuit each core. Okay, and inner shelf is safe to all conductor, safe to all conductor, short from armored and outside things. Armored. This is if there have the insulation not short, by chance inside cable is some damage, so this is covered by the inner shelf. Okay, and over shelf I am already explained. This is safe to ducts and water. Ducts and water. Safe ducts and water. I hope clear about this one in this slides. Okay. So in this slide you can clear about the this one. Okay, so cable inside have the 4 parts, and it is cable are used to carry electrical current, analog signals, and digital signals up to the equipment. So cables we can using in these types of work. These types of work we can using in these types of work. We can using in these types of work. Okay, and next one, classification of cables. Classifications of cable. How many types of cable? How many types of cable? I will explain in this slide. Okay, so class cables are available as per our system. Which type of system is we are running? Electrical system, control system. Which types of system is we are running? Same like that we can using in cable. Classification of cable. We have the 4 types of cable: electrical power cable, control cable, instrumentation cable. We have main 4 types of cable. You can writing in your notebooks. Okay, so we have the 4 types of classification of cable. How many types of cable? Okay, so we have 4 types of cable: electrical power cable, control cable, instrumentation cable. This inside have also 2 types: normal cable and fiber optical cables. This inside have also 2 cables: normal cables and fiber optical cables. Okay, so normal this instrumentation cable also have the inside 2 parts: normal cable and fiber optical cable. So electrical power cable, we can using in electrical power cable for current purpose, transferring the current panel to equipment or device. So this types of system we can using in electrical power cable. Control cable, we can control the some device equipment in building, in industries, anywhere. That's area we can using in controls cable for controlling the system, device, equipment, anything. That's types of we can using in control cable. Instrumentation cable, some instruments, especially this is using in this types of cable is using in gas plant, power plant. Okay, so maximum instrumentation cable is using in gas plant, power plant. Control cable and electrical cable, control cable using also building and industries also. Electrical cable, anywhere there is need to electric, where is need to electrical power supply, that's area we can using in electrical power supply cable. And instrumentation cable we can maximum using in gas plant, power plant. These types of plant we can using in instrumentation cable. This is normal cable and fiber optical cable also. Normal cable means only normal, only cable inside have the cable core insulation and cable outside cells. Just before we are see the diagram. But fiber optical cable is different types of cable. This is very reachable cable. This cable we inside have the glass. This cable inside have the first outer shell, after some armor is coming, and after insulation also coming, and then inside the this one conductor covering by the glass system, fiber glass is coming this side, this inside. So if you can twist, big twist, make the bend, this is broken. So this is very sensitive cable. You can using in cooling time and any working time, you can not make the big rounding bend, not make the bend like that. This is suppose example, this is normal cable, we can bend like that, this is not issue. But in fiber optical, you can no more bend like that. If the bend making like that, after this glass is broken, there have the one gas system. Okay, so if this glass is broken, signals is not coming in clear, not coming in clear. So maximum fiber optical cable is using for signal systems in gas plant. Some tank signals, some temperature signals, any types of signals in power plant or gas plant. That time we can using in fiber optical. Fiber optical cable inside have the glass, fiber glass. Okay, So you cannot make the twist like that, directly not twist. It's like a normal cable. Our normal cable, we can twist like that, but this is not issue. In fiber optical cable, not possible to twist. Only make the little bit twist. If you need the twist, little bit only. Okay, so be clear about this one. So fiber normal cable and fiber cable inside, what is the difference between the fiber optical cable and normal cable? Normal cable we can twist anywhere. So, but in fiber cable not possible to twist. And this inside have the glass, coming inside have the conductor saving protective system coming in fiber glass inside the cable. So this is very expensive cable also. We can using in sensitive signals. Where is sensitive signals need? Suppose in some area, fingerprint area signals, we can using in this types of cable. Fingerprint area, print area, fingerprinting area. Because this is very sensitive. So not outside to any dystopic is coming in this cable. Fiber optical cable. Normal cable we can using in normal signals. So sensitive signals, which is very important for the project or industries. That types of area we can using in fiber optical cable. Okay, so clear about this one. Fiber optical cable also we can using in maximum. This is using in gas plant and power plant. And in government project, government building, I will see maximum fingerprint area we can using in fiber optical cables. This is sensitive, no disturbing. This is a very good signal is coming. Very good signal is coming there, because this is covering by the glass also, outside to no any disturbing, any air, water, no disturbing in this cables. So main other cable is disturbing for the outside nature also. So in sensitive area we can using in fiber optical cable as per owner requirement or drawing requirement. You can check this one. Okay, so in this chapter you can clear about, we have the 4 types of cables. According to 4 types, electrical power cable using for electrical power supply, current supply. Okay, control cable we can using for the controlling the device, system or digital system anywhere, which we want to control the system through panels, control panels. So we can using in control cable. Instrumentation cable, we can give the signals, we can control the signals through this instrumentation, take the knowledge of the signals. And this is 2 types, normal cable and fiber optical. Normal cable we can using in anywhere, but fiber optical we can using in sensitive signal system. Very sensitive signal system we can using in fiber optical cables. Okay, so I hope clear about this one. Classifications of cable. Okay, so classification of cable you can clear four classification: electrical power, control cable, instrumentation cable. Okay, so we have the, and inside this one instrumentation cable, inside have the coming 2 parts also. Clear of this one. So categories of cable, as per categories cable we can using in different process. So how many types of cable? Classification cable 3 types. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and branch another 2. Instrumentation, so branch 2, normal and fiber optical. I will explain about this one, where is using fiber optical and where is using normal cables. Okay, you can writing in your notebooks important topics for you. Okay, these are all are important topics is running now. Cable tray, conduit, cable, next topics, wiring systems, all are the importance. Now we are running in importance topics, which is very, very usable in building, industries or anywhere. Okay. So next one, diagram of the cables. Okay, diagram of the cable. Electrical power cable. This is the electrical power cable. You can see there, this is electrical power cable. Controls cable. Next one is controls cable. This is the controls cable. This is controls cable. Okay. Controls cable is this one. So many cables are coming inside control cable. You can see. So electrical power cable coming in 4 core only. Single core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. But control cable is coming so many cores. Up to 48 cores. Up to 48 cores is coming. And normal instrumentation cable. Instrumentation cable, this is normal type. There is writing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that number. H per number, you can termination in termination block with your termination schedule. H per your termination schedule. Okay, so you can using in this one. Each core have the number. Each wire have the number. You can check there one. This is okay. And fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable we can using in sensitive area. This is maximum coming in single core also. You see there have the, this is the glass. This is cable insulation and this is the armored. This is outside insulation. So this inside have the glass, fiber glass. So if you twist, this one is broken. This broken means not working in clear. Your signal is not coming in clear. If this is no damage, signal is coming very, very clear. Good signal is coming there. Clear coming. Okay. So this is the fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable, first inner inside have the conductor, after fiber glass, after coming insulation, after coming in armor, and outside is coming outside cells insulation. Cable protective insulation. This is all cable is protected by this insulation. Protect from dust and water and some others object also. Okay, so this fiber optical cable inside have also 4 parts: outside insulation, armor, covering insulations, fiber type glass, and last conductor. Last is conductor. Okay, so this all cables have the wire have the number. You can see there is writing the numbering system. 1, 2, 4, 5, 3 like that. You can check the number. H per number you can connect the terminal box. H per number system. H per number system you can terminal in terminal box. H per DB schedule. Okay. So these all have the number. You can check there is all in writing number 1, 2, 4, 3 like that. Okay. So don't forget, you can check the numbering and do like a termination. Okay. So this is the power cable. Power cable. Power cable. This is copper type conductor. We have the two types of conductor: aluminum conductor or copper type conductor. Maximum Gauss fusing in copper type conductor. Maximum using, not in aluminum type. This is the copper type conductor. Okay. So this conductor insulation, cable insulation, inner insulation, armored and outer insulation. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts is there. Okay. So maximum Gauss fusing in copper type conductor cable, copper type, not in aluminum. In our country, we can using maximum in aluminum. Okay, aluminum type, but in Gauss using in copper type. Maximum you can find in copper type. In our country, we can find in aluminum type. But good conductor is the copper. Yes. So good conductor is copper. Good conductor is the copper. Aluminum we can using in aluminum silver. Okay, but this is not lower than the copper. Okay, so this is the controls cable. Controls cable also have the numbering. All are black. You can see this is all have the black. So how to identify? They have the same like that number. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that number is coming. We can identify easy. Okay, there have also coming in numbering system, same like that one. This is not mentioned, but this all have the black. You can see this all wires are the black. All wires are black, but this inside have the numbering system. Is there have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So you can check the number and termination is there. Very easy. Control panel termination is very easy. This is small cable also. But we can in termination time hear about the drawing and panel board because this is very small. If one terminal is mistake, control is not controlling. So you can hear about this one. You can in if you going to golf, you sometimes you can working also control section also. You are going to electrician, but you have the chances control. So this types of working is we are tell the auto electrician also, technician also. Some person is tell technician. Technician and electrician is little bit different. Electrician only working in electrical power supply work. Is like this types of cable. Technician working is control instrumentation also. So this is very sensitive work. Okay, you can mind check the numbering. As per numbering, you can installation in panel board or terminal boards. Okay. Next one. Types of electrical power cable. So classification cable is 3. Power cable, electrical power cable, control cable and instrumentation cable, classification cable. So in power cable, electrical power cable inside have the again two types of cable is there. Electrical cable inside have armor type and non-armor type. Two types of cable is there. Armor types and non-armor types also. Two types of cable is available there. Okay. So armor cable, what is the armor cable? Armored cable means inside have the armored. This is the armored. This is the armored. This is armored. This is armored. So inside have the armored. Armored cable means inside. This is outside cover, and this is the armored. Armored is coming in armored cable. This is the armored. Steel types armored. And armored inside have the insulation. And after core insulation and conductor. Okay, so armored. If the armored is there, this types of cable is called armored cable. This is armored cable. And non-armored cable means no have the armor, only insulation. There is no any armor. You can see there is no any armor. This is armored cable and this is non-armored cable. Armored cable have inside coming the armored like that. Non-armored not coming in armored. Two types of electrical cable we have. Armored types and non-armored types. Okay. So we have the two types of cables. Armored types and non-armored types. Armored types and non-armored types. Two types of cable. Armored type also available single core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. This is available in standard cable core is 1 core, 2 core, 3 core, 4 core. This is the standard cable core, power electrical core, cable core. Some cable are coming in 3.5 core, 4.5 core, 2.5 core. This is not standard. This types of cable is not coming in Gulf. Okay, this is in our country we can using in half core for earthing purpose, but in Gulf earthing is coming next cable. So standard cable is 1 core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. It's same like that. 1 core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. Or non-armor types cable also coming in same like that. 1 core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. This is also coming. Only difference for the inside armored have. This is called armor type. No armored. This is called non-armored cable. So I will give two example also you. This is the armor types cable. There have the armored, and this is non-armor type. There is not coming in armored. Only insulation is coming there. So example of armored cables, examples of non-armored cable. This is the non-armored cables. Okay. So we have the power cable is two types of cable, armored cable and non-armored cable. But core is same core is coming. You can see there is also 4 core, 1 core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. This is non-armored cable, 4 core. This is armored cable, 4 core. There is also coming the 4 core. So core are coming in same. Which types of wire cable is unit? Which types of your distribution board? Single phase or 3 phase with neutral? If 3 phase with neutral, you can using in 4 core cable. If single phase, you can using in 2 core cable, phase and neutral. Earthing is separate coming. If motors no need to neutral, we can using in 3 core cable. Phase, red, yellow and blue. We can using in red, yellow and blue for motor. This is with no need to neutral. If neutral is need, we can using in 4 core. Phase, L1, L2, L3 and neutral. We can using it like that. Okay. So we have the 1 core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. 1 core cable maximum using in transformer. If transformer to LB room or MB room. Transformer to give the supply up to the LB room or MB room. LB room means low voltage room or MB medium voltage room. We can give the electrical supply in there. We can using in one core, one for L1, another one for L2, another one for L3, maximum in transformer to give to LB room or MB room. In big transformer is there in industries, not in building. Building also using some big building, but industries we can using in industries in power supply time give to single core types cable, transformer to MB room or LB room. After there to LB room or MB room to electrical room. Going time we can using in 4-core cable. 4-core cable we can using in 4-core cable. Electrical room to distribution all power in equipment, not in MB room and LB room. So transformer room to going to electrical power supply in LB room or MB room, anyone. After LB room or MB room to going to power supply is electrical room. Electrical room inside have the SMDB, MDB or distribution board also there. In electrical room inside have. And electrical room inside to going to device, equipment or switches. This is the system of electrical power transferring. First transmission line to coming in transformer. Transformer to next one is coming in MB room or LB room. Then MB or LB room to going to electrical room. Electrical room to going equipment, device or switches. Going to there, okay? So going to there. So in maximum 1 core is using for transformer power supply time we can using. Transformer to outgoing. Transformer to outgoing up to LB room or MB room. These types of cable we can using in single core. And 3-core, 3-phase power supply. Only need the 3-phase power supply. We can using in 3-phase. So motors, maximum motor is using only 3-phase. No need to neutral in motors because there is involved in magnetic system. Magnetic system is there. So after this is transfer, there have the this one. So this chapters also will coming in motors. That time we are explain this one. Okay. So 4-core cable we can using in if you need to 3-phase with neutral. 3-phase with neutral. That time we can using in 4-core cable. Non-armored cable also 1-core, 2-core, 3-core and 4-core. This is also available in this one. As per the building or industry's requirement. If the armored cable requirement, we can using in armored cable. Non-armored cable requirement, we can using in non-armored. This is depends with requirement of the building, industries or owner. Okay. So this is the depends with this one. So inside have okay. So this armor type inside have the 4 types of armor. 4 types of armor. We are available in 4 types of armor. How many types of armor in your exam coming is like that? So we have the 4 types of armor. How many types of electrical power cable? That time we can writing in 2 types, armor types and non-armor types. So how many types of armor? That time you can writing in 4 types. XLPE, CWA, AWA, SWA. 4 types of armor in armored cable. Okay, 4 types of armor. XLP, cross-link polyethylene armored. So this is the cross-link type coming. This is coming in cross-type, link type. Okay. So this is the XLP. This is the XLP type armored cable. Okay. This one cable is. And next is AWA, aluminum type wire armored. So this is depends not in cable core, depends only armored. This is the outside of armor. This is cross-link armor. This is aluminum armor. You can see this is the aluminum type armor, and this conductor also aluminum. Okay. So AWA means aluminum type wire armor. Only this armor is aluminum type. Sometimes this conductor is coming copper also, copper type also. Okay. So aluminum means all are coming aluminum, not thinking is like that. Core sometimes coming copper also. AWA, aluminum type wire armor. And next one is CWA, copper type wire armor. Next one is copper type wire armor, CWA. Full form of CWA means copper type wire armor. This is the copper type wire armor. You can see this is made by copper. Insulation conductor also copper. Okay. So you can check only armor. This is the copper types armor. Okay. Copper is coming. Aluminum also coming. XLPE also coming. Or copper also coming. And next one is SWA, steel type wire armor. Steel type wire armor. SWA means steel type wire armor. This is the steel type wire armor. This is steel, and this is copper is conductor. You can copper conductor is copper. Okay. So this is the steel type armor. Steel type armor, copper type armor, aluminum type armor, or XLPE type armor. We have the 4 types of armor. So how many types of armor in electrical power cable? There have the 4 types of armor in electrical cables. Armor types cables. XLP, AWA, CWA, and SWA. So XLP, AWA, or SWA. XLP, SWA. These two is common anywhere using. Anywhere building and construction line we can using in XLPE and SWA. CWA and AWA. CWA copper type, AWA aluminum type. These 2 types is coming maximum single core cables. These 2 types is coming maximum single core cable. So single core cable we can using in transformer area. Only we can using in transformer to outgoing up to the LB room or MB room. LB room means low voltage room, or MB room means medium voltage room. Okay. So maximum copper type and aluminum type is coming single core cable, and 2 core, 3 core, 4 core cable is coming XLPE and SWA type armored. Is it clear? This important is this one. So maximum aluminum type and copper type is coming single core cable armored. Aluminum type and copper type armored is coming single core cable, and XLPE and SWA steel type, this is coming in 2 core, 3 core, and 4 core. And this types of 2 core, 3 core, and 4 core we can using in industries, building, any project where is requirement. Okay. So CWA and AWA type armor is maximum coming in single core cable, that is using in transformer. Okay. Clear about this one. Okay. So you can check this diagram. This is the XLPE. This is copper type. So Gulf is coming, Gulf is using all copper type conductor, okay, not in aluminum type. This is aluminum type conductor. Our country maximum using in this type because this is cheapest, okay. So copper is a good conductor in electrical. Copper is good conductor. So we can using copper cable is better for the electrical power supply. Copper cable have no coming in, not coming in big resistance, okay. So resistance is not more. If the good conductor, resistance is coming less. If the bad conductor, resistance is maximum coming. So Gulf maximum using in copper type conductor. This is also we can using. There is also the current and voltage. All are going this one, but resistance is big coming in there. This cable is coming more heat, but this is no more heat coming. Resistance is less. If the good conductor, resistance is come less. Okay. So copper type. This is the copper type armor. You can see this is copper. This is copper type. This is the aluminum type, and maximum Gulf armor is coming round type. This is round type, not in flat type. This is the flat type. This is we can using in India, okay, in our country, flat type. Maximum Gulf is coming round type armor. Round type armor is coming, okay. So in this chapters we can clear about the, we have the electrical power cable, two types, armor types and non-armor types. These are available single core to 4 core, and non-armor also single core to 4 core, okay. So in armor inside have the 4 types of armor. You can clear about this one, okay. So I hope all of you are clear up to topics, now topics, okay. So any questions about today class? If anybody have the questions? No more questions, sir. I hope all of you are clear. So okay, thank you. Wish you all the best. Next class we will see.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.